This person wants $550 for this one little 2015 penny because it has a split die obverse crack in it. As you can see that line going straight across. If you're going through your coins and you have something that looks like this, you could have something worth a lot of money. This is the same thing here, except this one actually sold for $200 and this one isn't even graded. If you have a coin like this and you know it's a factory error, you want to get it graded because you don't want to accidentally buy a coin like this thinking it's a genuine error, but it's not. Also, most collectors are not going to pay money like this for a coin unless it's authenticated. That way people know that it's not some sort of after factory damage. You can imagine there's some bad people out there that will see that this coin sells for 200 bucks. They'll go out there, find a bunch of 2015 pennies and try to duplicate this error and sell it for a lot of money. But these third-party grading companies like PCGS and NGC know exactly what they're doing. They know if an error is genuine or not. That's why it's so important to know exactly what you're looking out for on your coins, because you could have a penny that's actually worth a lot more money than just 1 cent. If you're trying to find out how much your coins are worth, all you got to do is find a few reputable people in your area that know what they're talking about. Go to them and say, hey, these are the coins I think are valuable. What do you think about them? And if they all tell you that your coins are not valuable, you must believe them and not give them a hard time. The last thing you want to be doing is going to these coin shops and giving these guys hard times thinking that you have something incredibly rare. The chances are that you don't have something rare, but it is possible. Like one of my good subscribers on my channel always says, you have a better chance of finding a coin like this than you do of hitting the lottery. It's so true in my opinion, and you have to be careful out there because there are bad people out there that will try to lead you in the wrong direction and rip you off. But I'm telling you right now that this penny sold for $200, and to me this looks like a genuine error. And when I see this other coin that someone has listed for $550, it looks very similar here, and this one's also graded by PCGS, which gives you the confidence knowing that this coin in this PCGS holder is 100% authentic. So please, if you find a coin like this, take the appropriate steps to make sure you don't get scammed and ripped off. Do me a huge favor, smash that subscribe button. It really does help out with the YouTube algorithm, and stay tuned for more because I will see you in the next video.